Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn this red ball into this one with dithering. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, make sure to like and subscribe because I'm trying to beat my dad in a subscriber race. So let's see if we can reach 1,000 subscribers before he does. But without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the basic idea of dithering is you get your shade, or what, like the darker color, and you just want to just draw, like, first the way I do it is a bit of just a normal shadow, and then you want to do sort of like a checkerboard pattern. Now there are ways that you can do this automatically in Sprite, so I'm going to show you a few of those. So the first one is the gradient tool, and that is, click on the paint bucket tool and you'll see the option here is gradient tool. So your tolerance might be set to like 255. Make sure to set that to 0, and then up here we want to set no dithering. You can pick your dithering type. I'm just going to go 2x2 because this is a small image. And then all you want to do is have your two colors. So my main color is going to be the red, and my background color is going to be the darker red. And then you can see you can do something like maybe this. Now you can also use dithering for like the shine. So mine's going to be a ball, so I'd say there'd be a pretty big shine. So I'm going to do, you don't want it to just be a lighter version because it just doesn't look as good. You want to be maybe like a bit paler, and then you want to maybe even more than that. Then you want to draw like the outline of your shine, so maybe like this. You want to fill that in, and then we can use dithering again, checkerboard pattern, and it just makes it look a whole lot better. We have turned our red ball into this. So I hope you guys learned a decent amount from that tutorial. I hope you learned how to use dithering properly, and you can use this in anything, not just Sprite. You can just do it manually. But I'll see you in the next video.